every aspect of reality, that is, the truth of life beyond existence, is reflected at this moment in existence around you. By listening to this story, you are discovering how to discern it. You will notice that no matter how unusual or new the truth is that I am describing, I demonstrate it in existence, related to the fact of your life here, on earth now. Consequently, it is possible for anyone, even a child who has had enough experience of living, to follow the truth I am speaking, provided they can remain sufficiently still to listen in their own experience. However, the impulse can be irresistible for the listener's human intelligence to escape back into existence through the memory, through what has been previously heard or read. What you have heard or read is not your own experience, or you wouldn't have to remember it. The point is, the test of any truth being put to you now or in the future by anyone is to demand that it be demonstrated in existence. If it can't be, it's imagination, or the person doesn't understand what he or she is talking about. This is our protection in the truth against being misled or hoaxed. Eternity is a word no longer in serious use. The truth it describes has been forgotten. So the word has no real meaning in the modern lexicon. It is often mistaken as a synonym for infinity, a different thing altogether. Children must be really in the dark if ever they hear the word. Nevertheless, what the word stands for hasn't gone away. It's us that have gone away from eternity in our panic flight into existence. Eternity is the place or state being reflected every moment as existence through the spacesuit. Eternity contains life, undifferentiated, the One Self. If you look around you now at existence, you are seeing what is in eternity, what we call life. Only here, the original is being attenuated, stretched out like an elastic band, in time. There is no time in eternity. In eternity, existence as life is complete, finished, before it begins. In addition to everything that's in existence, eternity contains all that ever has been or ever can be. In other words, the totality of life, past, present, and future. But it takes an eternity of time for the spacesuit to project it all. Hence the inconceivable duration or timelessness of eternity reflected as existence. Please don't panic. This is not deep, not difficult, not boring. Don't run away. Don't escape into your memory and start thinking, drifting out into space. It's all very simple if you can just keep listening. While you are listening, you are actually traveling towards eternity away from existence, without having to leave existence. And unlike learning anything, you don't even have to try to understand. There's nothing to understand. Let me show you. If you're returning home at night, you don't need to understand where you're going. You only need to recognize where you're going. And that's what's happening here. You came out of eternity this way into existence. So the way back is familiar. Just hear the words and you'll recognize it. Don't think. Don't question. You're going towards home.